Today, we'll show you how to set up speed dial, auto dial, and auto answer on the SIP phone. Connect the phone to the network. Enter its IP address in a browser to log into the configuration interface. After successful server registration, go to Advanced Settings, Dialing Settings. Enter the corresponding number to complete setup. Go to Advanced Settings, Function Settings. Enable Auto Dialing. Enter the target number and time to finish setup. Go to Advanced Settings, Function Settings. Enable Auto Answer and set the answer time to complete the setup.
Evacuate, evacuate.